Now students, see page number 30 once again. I am reading this paragraph. Does color have a history? So try to understand. Figures 5 and 6 are two images of cotton prints. Now here you can see two images. See carefully. Figure number 5, this one. Figure number 5, a Kalamkari print, 20th century India. Now see carefully. It is called a Kalamkari print. Now another figure, this one. See carefully. Figure number 6, a Morris cotton print, late 19th century England. Now this print, figure number 6, from England, and this one from our country, India. Now come to the point. The image on the left means this one. This image on the left means figure number 5. The image on the left, figure number 5, shows a Kalamkari print created by weavers of Andhra Pradesh. Now figure number 5, Kalamkari print, it shows that means created such type of print in our country, in India, created by weavers of Andhra Pradesh in India. On the right means this one. This figure number 6. On the right is a floral cotton print designed and produced by William Morris. This one designed by William Morris. Come to the point. On the right is a floral cotton print. Floral means having flowers, and which was produced by William Morris. Who was William Morris? A famous poet and artist of 19th century Britain. So he produced a Morris cotton print and a Kalamkari print by our weavers of Andhra Pradesh. Now students, there is one thing common in two prints. If you observe both of them, this one, so you can see one thing there is a common in two prints. What? Both, I am reading this one. Try to understand. Both use a rich and blue color. This is one of the common thing. Kalamkari print, here there also we can see blue color which is used. In Morris cotton print, there also blue color also used. Commonly called blue color, that is a commonly called indigo. Do you know how this color was produced? Indigo color, blue color, how color was produced? We have to read in this chapter, so don't worry. The blue that you see in these prints was produced from a plant called indigo. So how blue color was produced? It was obtained, it was produced from a plant. So name of the plant, the name of plant which is called indigo plant. It is likely that the blue dye used in the Morris prints in 19th century Britain was manufactured from indigo plants cultivated in India. So in figure number 6, in a Morris cotton print, blue dye which was used in that prints. So it was taken from plants which was cultivated in our country. For India was the biggest supplier of indigo in the world at that time. At that time, our country, India, that was the biggest supplier. We supplied indigo in the world to the European traders. So students, try to understand and listen carefully. Next clip and next, so we can say the why the demand for Indian indigo. We'll read in next clip.